Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Shank game. This game is very funny. I will play all its parts, all the stages of the game until it ends. I will upload it to the channel. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell to receive the rest of the episodes of this game. Let's jump right into it.
What are you drinking, buddy?
I'm looking for someone.
Around here, it's usually someone that's looking for us.
I can't wait to try out your girlfriend.
Found her.
Oh God.
I'd kill you now, friend, but I want you to hear her scream.
No! Stay! No!
You a fight fan?
Not of this wrestler.
I heard you were dead.
You heard wrong.
I hate to be wrong. I got your old friend Shank here at the bar. What do you want me to do with him?
Finish him.
Got it. Get him!